Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain Navy Federal credit cards. We'll cover who is eligible to join this credit union and how to become a member. Then, we'll dive into the different types of credit cards they offer, from cashback to travel rewards, and discuss their unique features. Finally, you'll learn about the potential credit limits available and the overall benefits of being a Navy Federal cardholder. To apply for a Navy Federal credit card, you must first be a member. Eligibility extends to current or former military members, Department of Defense employees, and their immediate families. Once eligible, the application process is straightforward. You'll need to provide personal and financial information, and a strong credit score, typically above 670, will significantly boost your approval chances. They also offer a pre-qualification tool to check eligibility without impacting your credit score. Navy Federal credit cards come with attractive benefits, including competitive interest rates and diverse rewards programs like 5% or 2% cash back on purchases. They are also known for offering substantial credit limits, with some individual cards reaching up to $50,000 and a total combined limit of $80,000 across multiple cards for qualified members. Plus, many cards feature no annual fees, no balance transfer fees, and no foreign transaction fees, enhancing their value. To get the most from your Navy Federal credit card, always aim to pay your balance in full monthly to avoid interest. Actively use your card's rewards program, whether it's earning 2% cash back, accumulating travel points, or redeeming for gift cards. Navy Federal also provides free access to your credit score, which is a valuable tool for monitoring your financial health. Responsible use and strategic rewards redemption will maximize your card's benefits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.